Welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to create an account, a new advertising account, or how to get a problem, just like what you are seeing. If your ad account is disabled because of suspicious activity, I will show you how to create a new ad account that can help you to run ads. And then I will also show you how to get this issue resolved, okay? There are two things that I'm going to do here. So to get it resolved, what you will have to do is to simply come here. You come to the ad manager, you click on request review. You come here and select your ad account. So for example, this is the ad account. Then you write in detail and describe whatever the problem is. Then you add a bank statement. Because when you read here, it says, in order to verify your payment method, this statement, in order to expedite the review of your account, please upload a statement for your primary payment method on your advertising account. So you need to get a bank statement indicating the transactions on your Facebook account involving the debit card that you used, that was previously used on your account, your primary payment method. So if you come, for example, at the payment setting, you will see the debit card that is attached, which is the primary one. If there are two of them, the one that is the default is the primary. So you make sure that you get a bank statement. You request for bank statement from your bank. Make sure that the bank statement includes at least the last 3 or 4 transactions on the debit card with your Facebook account. So you come and then write, you can describe and say your account was restricted. You were told there was some suspicious activity and your account was restricted when you try to add a new payment method, or whatever happened. Just describe it in detail and let them know that you have no intention to violate Facebook policies. They should help you to get your account reinstated. Then you click on choose file, then you attach the file. Then after you attach it, you send it or you submit it. Within 4 to 5 business days, you will get what do you call it? Your account will be if it is reinstated, you know. Even if it is not reinstated, they will let you know. Then you can go to support inbox to check. So when you come to Facebook, you click on the profile picture, you go to help and support, then you go to support inbox. So under support inbox, if you make any complaint, it will show here. If they reply you, you will see it here. Now, let's say that you did that one and then it didn't work, because most of the time you may do it, it works. But for some people, it may not work. Or in some cases, some people may not get a bank statement that will help them get their advertising access reinstated. So in that case, this is what you will do. You come back to your ad manager, then you click here, click on all tools, click on business settings. So it will bring you to the business settings. In fact, when you click on business settings, if you don't have a business manager, it will ask you to create a business manager. If you want to know how to create a business manager, check the link above. Follow that video, and then you will learn how to create a business manager. However, for this account, there is already a business manager. So we're going straight away to create an advertising account. So if you come to the business manager, you click on add account, and then you click on add, you click on create new ad account. Then get a name for your ad account. Okay, so you put the name of your ad account, you choose you put the name of your ad account, you choose your time zone and the currency. You make sure all those are chosen. Then after that is done, you click on next. Then you select my business. Then you click create. Select your name. Turn on all the options and permissions. Then you click on assign. Then you exit. Now, after that is done, if that is, you can really use it to run ads again. So for example, when you come here, click and see more ad account, then you are being asked, does your business focus on politics or issues of national importance? No. So you can run ad campaigns right from here. So this is exactly the step-by-step process you need to follow in order to either appeal to get your ad account that has been disabled for suspicious activity resolved, or to be able to create a new advertising account and then advertise. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell and like this video. Leave your comments in the comment section. If you have any problem, let us know. And then by leaving your comments, or you can follow the WhatsApp link to WhatsApp us. You can also follow our website link to check our office on the website. All of them are in the description of this video and you can check it out. Thank you once again and bye-bye.